everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be reviewing this lash set and this lash remover. It is by the brand Veyes, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So I have reviewed this brand on my channel before. I absolutely love their lashes. They're really good quality, and I'm really excited to try out this new set. They did send me the lash remover, which I will not be trying in this video because I've already removed my lashes, but I will be trying this out in another video. Most of the time, they're oil-based removers, which is what you need in order to remove lashes. So let's go ahead and just look at this real quick. So really cute packaging. I love the white with the pink. So yes, it's just like a standard oil-based lash remover, and it doesn't have any smell. And then this is the lash set that they sent me, which I'm so excited to try out. It looks like a beautiful set. So this is everything that comes in here. So you get your lashes, you get your glue in your seal, and then you get your tweezers. So pretty much if you're just starting out, this is a great way to start out because you have everything that you need. I do recommend buying a oil-based lash removers for when you take them off, because you don't want to just pull them off because it will pull off your lashes. But if you know how to take care of your lashes and apply them correctly, your lashes will not get damaged during the process. It's a lot easier to do lashes this way, and they last 1 to 2 weeks depending on how you take care of them. So let's go ahead and start applying these. So as you can see, you have your lash bond, which is the glue, and then your lash seal, which is if it's sticky, like after you're done, you put this and it'll take away that stickiness so your lashes aren't sticking together. These are really nice tweezers. These are like the standard that I use. So these are going to be great if you're just starting out doing lashes because they're very natural and just really pretty. You can see they're wispy. But let's go ahead and start applying these. So to start out, I'm going to be applying the bond. And you can see this is what the brush looks like. It is a micro mascara wand, which is the best way to apply your glue. So what I do is I just kind of dab this at the base of my lashes. It doesn't take too much. So as you can see, I already applied the glue. Now we're going to get our tweezers. And I'm going to start off with 16. I'm going to do 3 16s. So what I like to do is I grab them from underneath and I kind of preset them out and I'm going to apply them. So I'm going to do 3 16s. Then I'm going to do a 14. And then I'm going to do maybe 1 12. I may do 2. We'll see how many fit. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my 16s. Now you want to grab this. We're going to be able to apply it underneath. If you really want it to last longer as well, you can get the glue and just apply it at the very top of this, just a little bit. It doesn't take a lot. Just like that. It's kind of sticking that bottom lash, which is making it a little difficult. So just like that. And I'm slightly overlapping them. Okay, so I'm going to get one more. I'm actually going to put a 10. Okay, and as you can see, that is what they look like. So this is your before, this is your after. And once you like when you look at it, if you like the way it looks, all you're going to do is you're going to come up behind it and you're actually just going to pinch them down. So just like that. And this will allow them to last a lot longer and just really blend with your natural lashes, which is what you want. So as you can see, I'm done. So as you can see, my lashes are just slightly sticky over here. So I'm going to take that sill, which is this side right here, oops, and just put this at the very base. You do not want to brush it all the way through because it'll make your lashes kind of crispy feeling if you do that. So that's what the final result looks like. They're just really pretty. Let me go ahead and show you. So as you can see, that's from the side. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this eye off camera, and then I'm going to show you what the final results look like. Okay, and that is what both sides look like completed. I absolutely love these lashes. They are very just long, full, voluminous. Like, those are so pretty. Definitely like one of the top pairs that I've actually reviewed or ever tried out. And I've tried a lot of lashes and I would repurchase these 100%. We'll see how long they last. I'll leave a little update when I use the remover. But so far, like, first impression, I would totally wear this on a date night. If I have like some nice event to go to or something, this would definitely be my go-to. They're just so pretty. And I mean, you could just wear these and do your brows and then you'd be good to go. Like, you don't have to wear a lot of makeup when you have lashes like this, because I mean, that just makes you look so pretty. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.